Hey guys, so I'm busy morning making this router dado jig. What I'm going to do first is this is going to result in about 1.5 inch wide space. So I'll use my straight bit and then I'll use a dovetail bit to make the edges of the dado inside dovetailed. Then what I'm going to do is put a piece of dovetailed on this side and on this side, and I'll wedge in and glue in a piece that pushes the dovetails over. And what I'm going to do, this is still the front, haven't cut it yet. I'm really, before I cut anything that's cross grain like this, it could warp. So I'm wanting to have my dado and dovetail ready to roll. But if this is the back of the table, what I'm going to be doing, especially on these two leaves, I'll be putting a dado on the back side. Probably, this is about 1.5 inches thick, so about 1/2 inch deep. Then, like I said, I'll have 3 boards. One board on the left will have a dovetail on the left. Board on the right will have dovetail edge on the right. Then I'll put a wedge through the center. And they will not go all the way through. I didn't want to have to, you can do the dovetail that goes all the way through here, but I didn't want to on the edge of the table. And I've also got my slides. So I've got to account for that. So it's going to be probably about 2/3 of the table on the back will have this sliding dovetail. And that's to help keep it flat. What do you guys think? I'm building this extension table, and usually you have the aprons that add the support. But there's no, because of the slides, there's nothing really that's going to support the center of the table. So I'm more than likely going to do one in the center here, one on each leaf, one in the center of this 3.5 foot section. I just want it to stay flat over the years. I want to create the best product that I possibly can. It's a lot more work, a lot more time making these jigs, but I feel like the end result will justify it. And I'm learning new skills. Let me know if you've ever done this.